down there starting a fresh hole. That bad boy was all the way at the bottom of it. It is a cool one. Killer. It is complete. It ain't busted. Just got a lot of work on that one side. Alright, experimenting on this new camp, and I know it gets confusing with all the Codys I bring, but now we've got an addition. It's Cody number 3. He's invited us out to a cool site, and this dirt is virgin dirt, and he just got that one. We ain't been going long at all. Thin little guy too. Cool. Gonna get back in her. Alright, number 2 right there. See if I can get a little sunlight on it. Pretty sweet guy. I'm just joking, I went over to use the bathroom here a while ago, take a leak, and I pretty much decided that my wiener will lead us to the sites now. Because I had to go to the bathroom, and then all of a sudden, bam, here we are, digging and flipping them out. All thanks to my junk. So we're hopefully going to keep that rolling. I'm going to try that at other sites. Anyway, hopefully we'll be back. It is one, boom. It is a cool one. Look at the material, y'all.
Awesome.
Look at that.
Cool.
Awesome find.
That is awesome. First time out here. Obviously undisclosed. Can't talk about that, but it is a killer. I mean, it's an excellent point. I love the material on it.
Super nice, man.
Cool. Swearing by the roots. Going in that little root section right there. He's right about there. Pretty cool one. Super thin one too. And Rhett showed up finally.
Yep.
About 3 hours.
Not yet.
Can't pull one out yet, but he's trying hard.